What's going on, guys? JT43 here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to reset the maintenance light on a 2011 to 2016 Scion TC. This won't necessarily work with the first gen TC, so if you have a first gen TC and you're looking at how to do it on this video, I don't really think it's going to be helpful. This is only for second gen Scion TCs and the 2.5s. So you may notice that my maintenance light isn't completely on. Right now my car is at the stage where when you start it up, it'll pop up for a couple seconds and then it'll go away, letting me know that it's not exactly time to do maintenance. It's just warning me that maintenance is coming up. It doesn't matter if your maintenance light is always on or if it's giving you that warning and then turning off before it initially comes on all the time. It's the same procedure for both. The first thing you're gonna do is you can see your little digital, I don't know what you want to call it, digital little screen thing, but there's a button all the way to the right over here, and you're gonna press that until you see trip A, which is this one. So all you have to do is press it. Now this part's gonna be a little tricky because I gotta do two things at once while holding the camera, but you're pretty much gonna hold this button over here, hold it, and then turn your car off. All right, so I know this is a very weird angle, but this is how I have to prop my phone up for me to be able to do this, but you can see my finger all the way to the right over here. So I'm gonna push the button. I'm gonna push the button in, and then turn my car off, and then while still holding it, I'm gonna turn my key back on, just like that. Now you'll see the digital in the middle. You'll see it kind of moving and going down tallies, and it's pretty much reset. Now the maintenance light, if you had it constantly on, it should be off now. If you're at my stage where it blinks like once when you turn the car on and it goes away, that should be gone too. And to verify, we're just gonna real quick start the car. And you can see no maintenance light. So anyway, if you did enjoy the video or if this helped you out in any way, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.